What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video. So today was the last day of the market for the week, day after Thanksgiving. Market closed at 1 o'clock today, but it was actually surprisingly bullish. Palantir closed basically at all-time highs. SoFi continued to go. A lot of small cap plays continued to go. Nvidia did a little bit of bouncing back. So, we're going to talk about all that. So first thing, we're going to start with Palantir, our biggest position. As I said earlier, we was near all-time highs today. So my calls, they doing decent, nothing too crazy. They kind of floundering around in that same 60-something, high 50s range because they're not going up like a lot. It's just a 0.8%, 1% a day type situation. But if it keeps going, the calls will adjust. As far as the story for Palantir, things are going great. Dan Ives upgraded us to 75. Bank of America upgraded us to 75. I think some analysts just gave us a $100 price target. You know what I'm saying? We just kind of cooling down because we done so much this year. I don't know if we're going to continue or not, Santa Claus rally style, but we will see. So next, we got SoFi down here. SoFi hit like 1640 today. The rise on SoFi is continuing. It's not going as fast and as crazy as a lot of the other small cap stocks, but nonetheless, it's continuing. It's going strong. So as y'all can see, the SoFi call I bought yesterday, I think I bought one for $80. Add to the 5 I had. All of those are up to $100. So now my cost basis is back to 93% on SoFi. I got this other call that expired January 17th. It's up 18%. So, we're going to see if that keep going. See if we can make us some money on SoFi. I really like SoFi. So that's why the position's getting a little bigger over there. You know what I'm saying? We got Oklo. Nuclear energy did pretty good today. Nvidia bounced back a little bit. They was at 138 today. So like I told people, I don't feel like the chip trade is the prime time trade it always was, but I still feel like Nvidia is a great stock to have. I still feel like, over the months, over the years, it's still going to go higher. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's basically still a must-have stock. No one stepped up to compete with them, so I like it. As far as the Nike turnaround play, that's actually going pretty good. We're up 13.58% on that. So the reason we're buying that, like I said before, they switched out their CEO. They trying to turn the company around, and they was at a double bottom on the chart. So I had to give them a shot for the turnaround situation. You know what I'm saying? We're going to see what happens with that. We still got a year on that one. So, that call is going to be here for a little minute unless they just mess up and force me out to trade. So the Mar and MicroStrategy situation, quite interesting. I remember when we made the trade, I was telling y'all the people smarter than me told me that we needed to buy Mara instead of MicroStrategy because it was due to outperform, and as a stock, it had not ran yet. So far, that is holding up to be true because as y'all can see, we're actually still down 19% on MicroStrategy, but we're actually up on Mara, and it's been outperforming like routinely on the upside and the downside. So that trade's continuing. Like I said, we just need exposure to crypto. That's why we got that one. So I'm not going to be necessarily adding with a lot of fresh capital, but if I do make a trade and make some decent profits, I'll definitely be adding to those too. So we got IonQ. IonQ is a beast. IonQ is just up through there. Wish I had more. I need more. I need to figure out how to get a call. I need to pull back anything. If anyone knows how I could get a good entry on IonQ, call BTLB because I'm stumped. They is not stopping at all. They did another 11% today. We called this one at 10, but it just went so fast. We did make like 150% on it, 150% in there, but nothing like 10 to 36. So, that's going good. It's still a unprofitable kind of quantum computing company, but quantum compute might be the next wave. So we got to keep paying attention to this one. You know what I'm saying? It's not strong like a Palantir or a SoFi, but they're up and coming, and they might be very critical in the coming years, if you know what I mean. So next we got my Cameco play, my other uranium play. It's starting to bounce back. They've been giving me a hard time on this one since the day we put it in. They had us down like damn near 30% on it off top, which sucks because it's caught on expired till June. But we bounced back. Cameco went up today, so we only down 11% on that call. We're gonna continue to see how that plays out. And we got the ARM and Advanced Auto Parts. Advanced Auto Parts, it actually got knocked down today on a downgrade. They think things are going to get worse. So, that's why it's a turnaround play. We're going to see what happens with that. And ARM, it's flat. I do plan to add some more ARM. Now, on my other portfolio, people, I had to hop out the window a little bit. This is why channels like mine are not financial advice, because what I did today was extremely risky, and I wouldn't advise people to follow me on it. So today I had to go and buy that Archer, y'all. I've been watching the Archer since 3. It just kept going on me. I had to pull out that chart. I got on that 2 minute, and I went and bought a call Archer, man. I bought this $15 call for April. Let's see. I think I'm up like 15, 18, 20 something percent on it. It's not showing up right now, but yeah, I'm at like 15, 20% on it, something like that, maybe even 25. Bought the call at $160, $170. It's up to 208. At one point today, I was up 50% on this call because Archer went up like, what, 20-something% today? I think I bought it. When I bought it, they were still up only like 6 or 7% on the day. I actually had to pull a technical entry out, and I'm going to show y'all the entry because this is how you got to use your day trading skills sometimes to buy a swing trade. So even though Archer is a swing trade, if you pull up the 2 minute chart, it did this today. People, look at this. Look at this. Where is it? At open. Tanked. Y'all see this tank right here? Tank through the VWAP. I don't really care about the VWAP early in the morning. It ain't really solidified yet, but they did this. You see the second red candle down here? Fell all the way to 827. Now, I wish I could have caught this red candle, but you know, life ain't perfect. That is not what happened at all. I actually caught this next green candle after this when they broke this 200 EMA. So I went on, caught it here, and then it just rolled all the way up here. I was just making money hand over fist. I damn near wanted to day trade it for a second. If I had not bought that as a swing trade, I could have day traded because my entry was really good. But you know, they came down a little bit. Shook me out some of the initial gains, of course. That's why I'm like not up that much. But we're going to see what happens with Archer. You know what I'm saying? It's not a risky one because of the business. They have been winning contracts. They are still unprofitable, but they're growing. But it's risky because it's already rose so much. And I think it might be like a short squeeze situation. I think people might be trying to get at somebody on that other side, if you know what I mean. So, you know, we taking it with a grain of salt. Whatever come with this Archer situation, come with it. I wouldn't be surprised if they knocked me down because I just had to buy the thing so freaking high. But it's all good on that one. My other plate is not on my other portfolio that I got to show y'all because it's still going. Is Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab is not playing right now, people. Rocket Lab, this new Rocket Lab call I got, is at $390. Now, if y'all saw my Rocket Lab journey, we started with $40 on the other account, the main one I show y'all. Turned that into $400. And sometimes when I want to get riskier over there, I don't want to get too risky in the other account, so I might buy something over here. So we took the 40 to 400 to 350, whatever it was. We bought a $110 call over here, and now that $110 call is on a journey. That $110 call is up 245% to $390. So Rocket Lab's doing this thing. SoFi is doing this thing. Palantir is doing this thing. Hopefully Archer keeps doing this thing. And it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. We trying to get it right now. So today in the market, we made like what, $130. Nothing serious. We still flat, still consolidating. We waiting to see, is this Santa Claus rally gonna get real, people? Like, as an investor this weekend, I'm gonna be doing a lot more research because a lot of stocks running, even though I got a lot of them. This is that area where you got to be extremely cautious because it's like damn near no matter how many stocks you buy, you still feel like you're missing out because it's always something running more. So I can only imagine how people who ain't participating in the market right now is feeling. Because I done made 1,000% multiple times like this year, especially since Trump got in office, and I still feel like I'm missing out. So, you know, next segment, let's look at some of these stocks that we still ain't caught yet. They're still going. Like, I might not even be able to get them the way they running, but you know, some of y'all might want to take a look at these. We got, what else kept going today? What else kept going today? We had, yeah, of course I said IonQ was going today. Of course I said Oklo was going today. Modine, if y'all are into, you know, the AI trade and the build out trade, I told y'all that's the air conditioning for the artificial intelligence. Modine, another company called Comfort Systems or Fix. Those two was pretty good for me. I made like 100% this year on those. So Hims was up another 6% today, y'all. Like, I should have maybe tried to get it when it was down. It's in that same situation. What did Robinhood do today? Robinhood was finally down by only 0.29%. I kind of want a real down day before I get involved with it. You know what I'm saying? I really don't want to buy half these stocks this high. Y'all saw I hopped out the window with Archer, And last but not least, SoundHound, man. SoundHound went up another 18% today. I got a partner who's going crazy with SoundHound calls. I think he's up like 300% right now. I got some SoundHound shares. I'm doing decent. Yeah, that's another one. I still need to go look back at GEO because I'm not done with that GEO situation either. I probably might have to buy a longer term call for them. I don't know if they were up or down today. Let's actually check that out. Let's see. Yeah, GEO is down today, so yeah, we might be back in that. And other stocks I'm looking at, on. Shout out one of my subscribers for putting me up on that. We're doing research on that. You know what I'm saying? Still looking at Joby, of course, just because Archer is going, so we might as well look at Joby. You know what I'm saying? Advanced Auto Parts, CrowdStrike, Dell. It's a lot of stocks we need to look at right now. Probably be doing a lot of research this weekend. I found some new uranium type plays I might be interested in. So I'm going to be checking that out. It's going to be a lot of stuff we need to do this weekend. But let's end this segment off. Look at a few charts. You know what I'm saying? So first, let's start off with the QQQ. Let's see what happened with this QQQ on the daily today. I think we made new highs today, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, I think we definitely made new highs. Let's see what happened on the QQQ. Well, on the spot, I think. Well, not on the QQQ. We did not make new highs on the QQQ. So I actually got this little channel. We tried to fall out of it. That would have been very bearish if we held that area. But we are back in it. So we're still trying to break out this little range right here that I got drawn up right here. We got this bearish fair value gap, but it looks like they're gonna invert that. So, you know, things are looking decent. Like, not a sign saying we're just gonna take off from here, but it's not bearish either. So it's kind of a wait and see what happens. It's a decent setup for like a Santa Claus rally if they have it. I'm not mad at that. You know what I'm saying? We got an upward channel on that. Let's look at Palantir since we decided to break out today. All right, there we is, 67.08. Oh, it looks like we actually got a little higher than that. Oh, that's right, we did get to 68. I'm tripping. All right, that's cool. So yeah, we up here. We're near highs on all these stocks. You see, we tried to break structure. I think they might try and keep going. I'm pretty sure this high is weak because there's no resistance up here. You know what I'm saying? The levels are just getting higher and higher. New levels will be like, what, 64? I keep stressing this 58 to 56 area. And if we were to tank below that, you need that 51, 60 and below, people. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, like I say, right now in the charts, it's not necessarily interesting unless you go to like a turnaround stock like McDonald's that's down, got a double bottom or something. A lot of other stocks, they're breaking out, not much resistance like you saw with those two examples. Sometimes you have to get on a 2-minute like y'all saw me do with that Archer. That's your only option right now. But you know, I wish everybody a great weekend. Yeah, I know I'm gonna give y'all some weekend videos, talk, freestyle, some research, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But it's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments, and I'm gonna see y'all in that next video.